guys? I'm here with Brian. We got his 01.
01?
Yeah, 01 Avant. And been doing some tuning tonight with it, so I figured he'd give a little kind of rundown on what's going on with the car, what's done, and do some video of it.
So I have the 034 carbon intake, airbox, all that, Forge 007, diverter valves, upgraded. Pretty much everything is 034 as much as I can. A lot of the silicone hoses, the bipipes, threw in a Mishimoto catch can, and then what we're tuning for now actually is the Snow Performance Stage 2. So I mounted the pump right here, right next to the power steering, and got that going. Put the wiring down through following the hood latch cable.
Nice.
And running 630 injectors. We have a lot of drivetrain stuff. I upgraded to the 4-to-1 differential, AWE drivetrain stabilizer, new speed rear sway bar. Also in the front, I need to modify it a little bit more, but I currently have a 10-row Mishimoto external oil cooler running with just a non-thermostatic sandwich plate and a 034 power steering cooler as well. And then, yeah, just regular plain Jane KO4s.
Awesome. And then what was the clutch?
The clutch is an RS4 flywheel and stock luck, I believe.
Nice. Yeah, stock RS4.
Is it stock? Yeah, okay,
right.
So stock RS4. Yep.
I would say B5 RS because it's definitely holding some power. So if it was stock S4, then it wouldn't be holding it. Then you got the 4-to-1 diff. You did the mod for that.
Yep, did the washers. Pretty nice. Definitely cut down a lot of the understeer, so that was pretty cool. And then stock S4 brakes, front and rear, but brand new rotors slotted with Akebono pads. So they definitely bite. Could be improved a little bit, but they definitely hold. So
awesome.
Definitely nice. Also, in addition, I did SRM version 3 intercoolers up front and a Borla exhaust with excess power downpipes, decatted.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, we'll get a few revs of that, but
nice.
It definitely sounds good on the freeway when we're doing pulls. So.
Oh, yeah. Good?
Yep. That's good. So yeah, the meth's for sure spraying because it got way rich. Alright, so here's intake air temp. So with water methanol, it starts spraying, just starts plummeting intake air temp, so which is awesome. Still down to 115, but it was up at 152, just because we heat soaked the crap out of the intercooler. So that's awesome.
Oh boy.
We got a GTI, got some revs over there. That's not a GTI.
That's a minivan. It's a minivan in GTI.
You should give him some two-step. Is that two-step? No. Alright. Let's go. I had to give the kids some revs. GTI, dude. Yeah, buddy. Dutch Bros. Oh, it's too bright to even focus.
I don't even know how to get out of this.
We're going through the drive-thru?
Yeah, I guess we're going through the drive-thru. We're going through a portion of the drive-thru.
I think it's the whole drive-thru.
Yeah.
We're not ordering though. That was on accident. We're not ordering Dutch Bros.
Just cruising.
Nothing against Dutch Bros.
Oh,
Just not ordering.
Well, now we're stuck.
Oh, and we're stuck in the line and Dutch Bros on accident. Oops.
Totally my fault.
That was a oops. Hey, what do we got on the menu here? We got donuts.
You want a caramel pumpkin brulee?
Caramel pumpkin brulee. We got cold. We got brave. What is brave?
I have no. Oh, I think that's brev.
Brev? Oh,
brev.
Oh, there's an E. I can't read.
It's got pumpkin drizzle though.
Oh, it's got the drizzle. Like Snoop Dogg. It's for the drizzle.
That's too good.
That's awesome. Oh,
and now we got the GTI behind us too.
What's he saying?
I don't know, something about sexy.
Yeah, we got dudes behind us on the GTI trying to order some Dutch Bros. They were not really about the two-step. They seemed okay about it, and then they're like, oh yeah, talking crap. What else?
Kids will be kids.
Alright, so we flashed that revision, pulled a good amount of fuel. It was in the deep 10 AFR range, so it'll be a lot better now. See how she does.
Same direction?
Yeah, we'll get on, probably cruise for a minute just to kind of let the intercoolers cool down and then do a pull.
Ready?
Yep. Shift right there.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the last log we just did. Water Meth is still doing a great job. Dropped IATs down from 129 all the way to looks like what, 99. So I mean that's a big drop. That's 30 degrees. So and it was 150 on the last. So here, let's pull up this other one. So we did a pull right before that, and it was heat soaked. So we were at 150, 142, and it dropped down to 113. So I mean that's a big drop right there once meth starts spraying. So we did a little bit. It was kind of a quick pull there, so it didn't start spraying until here, but we got a good spray over here and it started really dumping in. So that's good. That's awesome. I like to see that. But we're still running a little rich, so we're going to pull some fuel from the table here in this mid-range. And we're also going to pull some more up top because it started really running fat up top. Let's do that. Some timing in here because we're only at 3 degrees, which is kind of funny. So we're gonna add some here. Let's do 1.75. Start small. It's amazing what like 1 degree timing will do.
Really?
Yeah, I mean it can be 20 horse sometimes.
Ooh.
It just depends on the application and how much boost. There's a lot of factors in it. I mean, we're only hitting like 23, 24 psi, so we're not running a ton of boost. Granted, it's scale 4, so.
What's our peak, and then what are we tapering to?
It's like 24. I'm gonna readjust a little bit though, because
higher or lower?
gonna drop it down just a little bit because we were under boosting slightly. So we're just smoothing the curve out a little bit there, so we should be good. Let's pull up the better up the logs here. So yeah, boost. You can see it kind of peaked right here. This is our, so we're at 40. We started at 3,700. I'm zoomed in. Hold on. Started at 3,700. You get peak boost. Kind of does this weird little deal here. So I'm gonna add a little wasted dew cycle in this area, so that'll help bring us up. So right around 5, we get max boost to like 23.5. Then it tapers down to 22. But I think our wastegate duty cycle is, yeah, I'm out maxed out. So this is as much, you can only get 22 psi up top. So
okay, ready?
Yeah, we're logging whenever you're ready. That felt really good.
Yeah, that definitely felt the best, I think, of all of them.
That felt really good. You're welcome, dude.
Have a good night, man.
Thank you, that was good.
Cheers.
We had fun. Car ran great.